Well, hello again, everybody. I just did a video on two canvases. Here, I'll show you real quick. They're sliding. I hate that. This is kind of a close-up. These are 7 by 14 inch canvases, and I did them as a diptych, so I would have them as a set. Anyway, and I had some leftover resin, so I made some white up, and I'm going to use the colors on it. I am going to try some string. I am going to try the dancing string pull on these. Don't know how it's going to work, but we will find out, won't we? Because I wanted to have some real pretty coasters to match that painting. Anyway, I will list in the description everything I used, because well, this is the Rust-Oleum white, okay, and then I'm using the colors I'm using are just resin paste, cerulean blue, which is kind of transparent, blue diamond, and sky blue, which are both luster types. And then I've got some Maron gold mixed up to go with it. And basically I have so much of the colors left, I just made up some more white. And you are not flat. I use these spray cap cups, okay? They're very easy to clean off. If you let the resin dry, it'll peel right off. All you got to worry about is the two edges, the top and the bottom. You don't have to worry about the sides. Just let the resin can stay there forever, because it doesn't affect the the balance, okay? But you've got to be very careful when you put your coasters on there, because if they're just a little bit off to one side because of the weight, they'll probably hang a little crooked. So always try to make sure that you get a cap right in the center of your coaster so it stays level. Okay, I'm just spreading out the white. I'm just going to reuse some of these strings, because I can probably wipe off some of the color with my fingers. Okay, wipe off my finger. Okay, I'm just trying to get it up to the edge. Okay, I'm going to give these a little heat gun just to get rid of the air bubbles. I've already blown out my dust boogers because I've already been working on painting, so I have no dust boogers collected up in my gun. But a good rule of thumb is always do your blow your heat gun off to the side, so that way you don't get any of the dust that's collected up in there blown on your piece, because you don't want to blow some dust on there. It's bad enough you might get dust on there from other things. Okay, let me see here. Okay, the dancing string pull is basically pulling it across and kind of making it dance around the canvas. And this is a very, very, very light color, so it's not going to show up very well, but I'm going to try it anyway. And you can also do I mean, you don't have to do the dancing string pull on every one of them. Okay. I'm just trying to get a little bit of this color down, and oh, I'm so glad I got my apron on. I just got resin all over my lap when I cleaned off the string, which is a hazard, okay? Anyway, that's what the dancing string pull is. It's basically you're making the string go in all kinds of different directions. You'll be able to see it a little bit better with the other, oh, not that one, not that one, not that one. Almost put the wrong color on there. Okay, so basically, come on, separate. You take it and you kind of cross it over, almost like it's dancing across. Oh, I didn't have much on there. Okay, now I'm just going to do another color real quick. Except I'm not going to do a dancing one this time. I am going to just do a regular string pull. Which I had too much of the white on there. So this can get messy. So I'm going to put it in there again and go on to the next one. You don't want to try to drag your base color. You want to try to just get the color on the string to go across. Well, they don't all have to look alike, right? Anyway, let me do this one. It's not easy to do this in resin because the resin just gets very, very thick on the string. So I am just going to do a little bit of a pour with this one. I'm not going to try to do the string on all these. And I'm just going to blow the color over. Because these are just too small to keep trying to do the string pull on. Come on, heat up, heat up. There we go. I know this is kind of boring, but I'm trying to get the stuff to roll over the white so I can get some cells. Then I'm going to add a little bit of gold and call these guys done, and probably pour the rest of the color into a shot glass. You can only make so many coasters. I was trying to get some cells out of all of them so they would match. Now I'm just trying to do a line. Oh, excuse me. That's my dinner talking back. That was very, very rude of me, and I apologize. Okay. Let me give it a little bit more heat on the gold just to blow it out. Okay, I'm going to call these guys done. Okay, I know I've got more of that on there. I'm going to pull out my molds, and I'm going to pour off the rest of it into what, probably only one shot glass. I don't know yet. I might get two. So anyway, thank you very much for watching after the live. Okay. Oh, I didn't realize I dropped one of the strings down there. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the next video. And I love the resin right out of you guys. And any questions, leave them down in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. So, thank you for watching. Bye for now.